How to make a viral video. How do we even begin with this one? Charlie bit my finger. You will never recreate the success of that.
Charlie bit me.
A video like that hit the zeitgeist of the time better than any video marketing company or any video production company could ever give you advice into making something like that. It can't be done. So moving that to the side, you could spend a long time becoming a vlogger or a content creator that puts out consistent content that people want to see for a long period of time. On the business and startup side of things, people pay for views, whether they're doing that through YouTube, whether they're doing that through Facebook ads, or whether they're paying influencers to sponsor their content. You can make fantastic content and it could sit there online and not get views because it wasn't marketed correctly. Something like the Dollar Shave Club video was live online before it was a viral hit, and the company utilized it to pull in and showcase to investors. Once they got a big fundraising announcement that started gaining attention, the view count started to go up. Dubin knew that after that initial media coverage and enough people started sharing it, that the content was good enough where people were actually going to share it enough to make it go viral. A decent majority of content that is going viral these days is happening because of sponsored content, and it's unaware to the casual viewer. There's review videos out there today that you just would potentially look at and say, all right, this is somebody just looking at this one product versus this product. And they're actually being paid by one of the companies that created one of those products to make that review for you. They call it an unbiased review, and many times it is. A lot of people who do sponsored content like the specific product over the other product. And yes, they're being paid to make that review, but they do prefer this product over the other one that they're reviewing. So in their minds, it's not a conflict of interest, it's kind of being paid for a video that they might make anyway. If you don't have a following and you're not somebody who wants to go the sponsored content route, paying for ads allows you to do that. These platforms that we all use are utilizing the data that we knowingly and sometimes unknowingly give them. Companies provide us these platforms to use for free when it comes to a dollar amount, and in exchange, we are their creators or their eyeballs, and they end up making money off the fact that people are watching these videos. And ads are directed at us being the viewer. If you're using YouTube and Facebook just as a viewer, they're still technically making money off of you. This is currently the world that we're living in, and it's just the direction that things are going. You also have to remember that the view count on a video does not have a direct correlation with sales. Targeting ads to specific people who are looking for products like you're creating is much more valuable than getting a bunch of views from the wrong type of audience who just finds your content interesting and relatable, but will never be buying your product or service. Content matters, but targeting that content to the right people arguably matters a lot more.